All right, guys, it's currently 2:13 in the afternoon. I'm Fred Gossage along with Kelly Rawson in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. We have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning over northwest Alabama, a large part of central and western Lauderdale County, Alabama, and central and western northwestern areas of Colbert County, Alabama. Now under a brand new severe thunderstorm warning from now until 3 o'clock this afternoon. You see the flashing polygon here on Storm Track Doppler radar. It's for the thunderstorm complex out to the west of Iuka that will be moving into northwest Alabama soon. You see that thunderstorm complex stretching from Burnsville, Mississippi, all the way up through the Savannah and Saltillo areas of Hardin County, Tennessee. There are still severe thunderstorm warnings from from US 72 north in Tishomingo County, Mississippi, and severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for the entirety of Hardin County, Tennessee. The earlier tornado warning that had been up for Tishomingo County and Hardin County and McNairy County and Alcorn County is off the board. They canceled that early as the rotation broadened out. There are currently no tornado warnings on the board for any part of our viewing area. Let's go ahead and do a storm track here for the next 45 minutes for Lauderdale and Colbert County for this portion of the storm line that will be moving in. The severe thunderstorm warning does include places like Florence, Muscle Shoals, Tuscumbia, Sheffield, Underwood, Petersville, Zip City, Cloverdale, Oakland, Stewartsville, Waterloo, Lane Springs, Riverton, Cherokee, the Minot area, Colbert Heights, Littleville not included, Rogersville not included, Lexington not included at this time, Killen not included. As the storms get closer, you will likely get warnings as we go on down the line. But we'll draw the storm track here for this portion of the line of thunderstorms. It's moving east-southeast at about 35 miles an hour. I'll push it up to 40 for a little lead time. And this is over the next 45 minutes. Iuka 218, Riverton 225, Waterloo 225, Malone 229, Murphy Crossroads 235, Mount Hester 236, Cherokee 238, Gravely Springs 239, Rhodesville 242, Smithsonian 244, Cloverdale 247, Red Rock 249, Zip City 255, Underwood, Petersville 256, and based on that, even though they're not listed on the chart, you can say somewhere around 256 to 258 for downtown Florence, Tuscumbia, Sheffield, and Muscle Shoals. And then beyond 3 o'clock, we're talking about the eastern parts of Colbert County, eastern parts of Lauderdale County. Again, severe thunderstorm warning from now until 3 o'clock. We still have the warning up for northern areas of Tishomingo County, Mississippi. That includes Burnsville, Iuka, Eastport, Dosky, and Short until 2:30. They may extend that a little deeper, and that warning goes all the way up through Walnut Grove, Nixon, Pyburn, Counts, Big Ivy. And then there's another severe thunderstorm warning from the airport in Hardin County on the south side of Savannah, up through Savannah proper, all the way up through Crossroads and Saltillo, that runs until 2:45. Sorry, I thought you had something there.
No, it's not here yet, but there's a severe warning incoming for Wayne County.
Okay, so Wayne County, Tennessee, you are about to get a severe thunderstorm warning. Looking up and down the line for signs of rotation, I don't see anything tight right now, so no tornado warnings at this time. That is something we're going to have to watch for this afternoon, as we have increasing wind shear as we go through the afternoon, as a warm front lifts north into the area and the low-level winds strengthen. Any thunderstorm that interacts with this warm front could go tornadic. Tornado threat today is not big, not a tornado outbreak, not looking for violent long-track tornadoes, anything like that, but we could have a couple more tornado warnings both this afternoon with round 1 that you see here, and then again late tonight with a round 2 that may be coming in. There could be a couple tornado warnings in addition to the severe thunderstorm warnings that we're looking to see. So we're going to hold radar right here. We're about to get a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that includes at least Wayne County. We'll see how the polygon pops up here over the next minute or so. But severe thunderstorm warnings until 3 o'clock for western and central areas of Lauderdale, Colbert counties in North Alabama. Severe thunderstorm warning until 2:30 for northern areas of Tishomingo County, Mississippi, southern half of Hardin County, Tennessee, and the northern half of Hardin County, Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm warning continues at this time until 2:45. Damaging straight line winds of 60 plus miles an hour, the main threat, but we'll be watching the line carefully for any signs of rotation. There is a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for all of southern Middle Tennessee. Large part of southern Middle Tennessee and all of northwest Alabama. Let me see if I can put the watch on the map. Let's see. There we go. All right, here we go. And let me turn the radar layer off for just a second so you can see these darker yellow shaded counties here on the map. That's a severe thunderstorm watch. Kelly, what's the expiration on the watch, if you don't mind?
8 p.m. for everybody.
Okay, so severe thunderstorm watch till 8 o'clock this evening for all the counties in the dark yellow. And that's all of our viewing area. So in Tennessee, in our viewing area, we have Hardin County, Wayne County, Lawrence County, Giles County, Lewis County, Murray County, Marshall County under a severe thunderstorm watch till 8 o'clock. Tishomingo County, Mississippi under a severe thunderstorm watch till 8 o'clock. And then in our Alabama part of the viewing area, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin, Lawrence, Limestone, and Morgan counties also under the severe thunderstorm watch from now until 8 o'clock. The main threat both this afternoon and tonight with both rounds of thunderstorms will be damaging straight-line winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Not everybody that gets a thunderstorm is going to see wind like that, but there may be several locations that do see wind like that. But we'll also have to watch out for also hail up to the size of quarters. And we'll also have to watch out for the possibility of a few tornado warnings as well. I still have not seen that Wayne County severe thunderstorm warning come across on my display. It hasn't come across on NWS chat either. NWS has said that they are about to be issuing it here within the next couple minutes. And they have time to make a last-minute decision here as the storms are still back into Hardin County, Tennessee, that will be moving into Wayne County. Heavy thunderstorms ongoing for a large part of Wayne County, Tennessee right now. You see the reds and the oranges on the live storm track Doppler pretty much up and down the county. Those storms are not severe, but that's heavy rain and that's frequent lightning. And some of that extends over into Lawrence County, Tennessee as well. The current storms in Wayne County and Lawrence counties and Giles County and Tennessee are not severe. It's the stuff back to the west in Tishomingo County and Hardin County that have severe thunderstorm warnings. And some of that is moving into Lauderdale and Colbert counties now, where we also have severe thunderstorm warnings. So we're waiting here for a moment to see what National Weather Service does with that, the Wayne County warning that they said they're getting ready to issue, and then we'll give it a few more minutes, and then if they haven't issued, and if it looks like they won't, we'll go back to the regular, just silent radar view here on the live stream. But again, for now, no tornado warnings across the viewing area, no reports of damage with these thunderstorms in our viewing area counties. Kelly, you did recently see a report, possibly, of a tornado back in Alcorn County, Mississippi, earlier with the storms. Have you seen anything since then?
No, I have not. The only other report from Alcorn County was that there are a bunch of trees down near the middle and high schools in Corinth. And they do also report that all the kids are safe. Right now it's just the trees down report, but they did want to go ahead and say that all the children are safe, which is the best news that we could hear. Other than that, we just had that spotter spot a rotating wall cloud, which prompted that tornado warning earlier, but since then the rotation is really kind of just broadened out. But that's the thing with this storm system that we're watching, is the rotation can tighten up within an instant and then drop a tornado, and then within the next few minutes it has already gone away. So that's just the kind of storm systems that we're dealing with, the environment that we're in. So these warnings could be quick, as much notice as we can give, of course, as well as the National Weather Service, we certainly will. But these are those quicker developing tornadoes, if it is to come to that this afternoon.
Right, and as you're talking, we have that Wayne County, Tennessee severe thunderstorm warning now on the board. It's pretty much all of Wayne County. They trimmed out the far northern edge right there near the Perry County line near Flatwoods. But for all intents and purposes, we'll say all of Wayne County. That is a severe thunderstorm warning that runs now until 3 o'clock this afternoon. So it matches the same expiration time as Lauderdale and Colbert counties in Alabama. We'll do a storm track here with times of arrival. And I'll go ahead and push this out 60 minutes. Let's see. There we go. All right. And the leading edge of this is moving through Big Ivy and Waterloo and Iuka now. And that's the leading edge of the strongest wind is about to be moving out of Hardin County and out of Tishomingo County. All right, for the next hour, here are some times of arrival. And keep in mind, we can't list every little single neighborhood and give you a time of arrival. The way this works, you pick the listed community that's close to you and you apply that time accordingly. We would be here until 3 Wednesdays from now trying to list times of arrival for the next hour if we pick every little neighborhood. But Cherokee 240, Collinwood 245, Cloverdale 246, Underwood, Petersville 256 to 258, Iron City 301, Florence and St. Florine at 302, Sheffield 303, Tuscumbia at 306, St. Joe at 307, Muscle Shoals at 307, Killen at 310, Loretto at 313, and 321 for Lexington, Alabama. I'll focus specifically now on the Wayne County part of the track because we did that for Lauderdale, Colbert counties earlier. So now we'll do some of the smaller communities here specifically for Wayne County for this cluster of thunderstorms. And we will go for 45 minutes. And it's starting to move into Wayne County now, the leading edge of this. So let me see. All right, Lutz, Tennessee, 229. Waynesboro at 246. Collinwood and Johnson's Crossroads at 247. Zip City, Alabama, 255. Hines at 257. Holly Creek, 259. Pruitt at 259. Ovilla at 301. Iron City, 301. Wayland Springs, 302. Piney and West End in the western sides of Lawrence County, Tennessee. You don't have a warning yet, but as storms get closer, if they hold together, you could get a warning. Your time of arrival, 307. Also, St. Joe at 307. And Green Hill and Upper Green Hill at 308. Again, damaging winds of 60 miles an hour or greater, the main threat. But we'll be watching for rotation in the line. And then possibly on that southern edge, back southwest of Iuka, as that moves into northwest Alabama, we'll watch to see if that tries to act as a supercell and get rotation as well. So until 2:45, severe thunderstorm warnings up for Hardin County, Tennessee. Until 2:30 for Tishomingo County, Mississippi. They will probably let both of those expire on time. For pretty much all of Wayne County, Tennessee until 3 o'clock. Brand new severe thunderstorm warning. And for west central areas of both Lauderdale and Colbert counties, we have severe thunderstorm warnings till 3 o'clock as well. We will watch the situation very carefully, have further updates as needed. And I'll tell you what, well, we did have a transient rotation between Iuka and Cherokee approaching the Marjoram area. That has weakened on the latest scan. Those are the things we're going to have to watch very carefully with these little bends and curves in the line like you see there just northeast of Iuka and northwest of Cherokee, north of Highway 72. We'll have to watch those for the possibility of a quick spin small tornado. So just because it's a severe thunderstorm warning doesn't mean that there can't be a very quick spin small tornado with little or no advance notice. So we'll be watching things very carefully. Should a tornado warning be issued, we'll be here live nonstop until the danger is over. Otherwise, should any more severe thunderstorm warnings be issued, we'll be here with live cut-ins as necessary. For Kelly Rawson, I'm Fred Gossage, live from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Stay with Tennessee Valley Weather. We'll keep you advised.